there is non-indigenous trees that were blocking the view to the water. So we came in, took all those out.
The idea is to replant a whole bunch of native species here that used to grow along the river. Rivers bring down a whole bunch of invasive species when they're upstream, so they get planted along here and the native species get choked out.
A lot of weeds and dead trees, dead brush, a lot of Himalayan blackberries. I don't know if you've ever been around blackberries, but they're really obnoxious. They snag your clothes and they can slice you open real easily. We planted some trees yesterday. A couple of us are going around collecting acorns.
The reason we're doing that is for then later on we can plant them and have them grow and then start adding more oaks around this area.
It's going to be easier access for people to come down here and hang out by the river, or a lot of fly fishermen come down here.
The purpose is to help make Turtle Bay look like a beautiful place for the families can come in and just enjoy being here.